COC. May galatin pera. Brawl.
Hoy, going ano tayo?
Carving ready.
Going
3,
tayo,
2, hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop inside. Spread.
Ubus na, boy!
Kill it. Spread party. Spread careful. Spread. Kill nyo yung healer nila.
Oo, may mga looter. Pupunta nyo.
Spread. Don't loot. Push.
Wag yung
Still there. Brawl. Spread.
Oy, Team Mimol, Northeast. Team Northeast.
Kill nyo lang man. Ubos sila. Continue.
Oh, puta na.
Run over. They're dying. Only one healer lang. Careful. Spread. We're gonna...
Nandiyan na.
Just careful, man. On the skull in 3. DPS. I need deals.
Oh.
Round. Skull 3, 2, 1.
Tayo na mga to.
Carving on me. Drapan mo to, man.
Pagkinan nyo.
Ay na dapat.
Mamaya na.
Team Mimol.
Stabilize. Stabilize. Heal party. Heal party. Spread. Tell me,
Putangin na ito.
Look round. Ito inside. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Drapan nyo itong isa.
Ito.
Gege, kaya yan. Stabilize lang. Heal party. They're low. They're kiting. Yes, spread. Pusin nyo. Yeah, camping. Roll.
Parang yun, boy. Ito yun.
Position nyo. Nice. Now, walk. Flip down now. Look down. Look down. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Nice one, boy. Bitin mo. Tayo na pa yung mobs. Go. Run over. Mount up behind. Matap ka.
Loot. Mauna pala.
You done with the boy, right?
Kiring pagkakapatay.
Now loot them up.
Dahil na-miss ko yung ganitong energy.
Putang ina, hindi ako makakuha.
Nice one, boys. Beautiful.
Crown. Music
Ay,
crown.
papatay nitong mga mobs.
Push in the mobs.
Ano lang ha? Kaya.
Boys, sagasa.
Carving Kingmaker, brawl na kayo kaagad man After 5 seconds, mag-engage ako, drapan niya.
Yung bot ha? Bot.
They're kiting sila man. Wag na dito.
Go, Pando. Wag na
Walk. Catch.
Saan nyo po yan?
Catch mo nga yung healer. Now lock, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Kill nyo lang, brawl party. Brawl nyo yung healer man. May mat yung healer nila.
Sagasa lang, boy. Sige.
Sagasa lang, sige. Brawl them up, bro. They're camping. Brawl them all. Careful for the engage, okay? They're low. Keep pressure.
Next one.
4 seconds engaging. 3, 2. Wala na.
Ang pati ni Banax. Grabe si Banax.
At least may loots na tayo.
Grabe pa! Yan.
Yun.
Utang ng yabang.